Hello everyone. Today we will talk about lesson 2 in unit 1, which is seeing colored objects. We talk about light and we know all the properties of light. Today we will talk about light colors and how we can see colored objects. First, we must know the white light, which transmitted from sun or any source of light, contains 7 spectrum colors. We can see these light colors if we use a glass prism. So what is the glass prism? The glass prism is defined as a three-dimensional object with identical parallel ends and flat surfaces. I know it sounds confusing, so let's make it easier to understand. A glass prism is a device, or it's a tool used to split light. If you take a glass prism and pass a beam of light through it, it will break the white beam into several beams of light, which creating an amazing rainbow. Actually, it spreads the light or the white light into the 7 spectrum colors. So what are the 7 spectrum colors? The 7 spectrum colors, as you see in the figure, are in order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And when the 7 light colors are mixed together, the white light is produced again. يعني يا ولاد احنا عندنا الوايت لايت اللي هو بيحصل له ترانسميشن من الشمس لو سقط على الجلاس بريزم بيبتدي يحصل له splitting or separation ويدينا ال 7 spectrum colors اللي موجودة قدامنا في الصورة. المفروض نكون حافظينها بالترتيب. طيب ال 7 spectrum colors دول لو جمعناهم مع بعض تاني هيرجعوا يدونا الوايت لايت تاني. Okay. So, how we can see colored object? We will start with transparent or semi-transparent or translucent object. As we see in the figure, we have a transparent bottle or a transparent green bottle. When light falls on this bottle, when white light falls on the surfaces of this bottle, the white light consists of the 7 spectrum colors. What happened? The bottle will absorb all the light colors and only transmit its own color. يبقى in the case of a transparent or a semi-transparent objects اللي بيحصل إن لما بيسقط الضوء اللي هو الوايت لايت على الأوبجكت بيبتدي يعمل absorption أو امتصاص لكل ألوان الضوء and only transmit ويبتدي بس يطلع its own color. So we see the transparent or the semi-transparent color objects بألوانها دي نتيجة إن هي بتعمل transmission للونها ده وبتعمل absorption لباقي الألوان اللي موجودة في الوايت لايت. So, seeing the colored opaque object. Number 2 or point number 2 is the seeing the colored opaque object. So we will divide the opaque objects to 3 types. Number 1, white opaque object. Number 2, black opaque object. And number 3, colored opaque object. We will start with the white opaque object. What happened in the case of white opaque object? As we see in the figure, if we have a white opaque object is the object which cannot transmit light. So what happens in this case? The white light falls on the surface of the white opaque object, and it will reflect all the colors of the light. It will not absorb any of the colors of the white light. So هيحصل في الحالة دي سقوط لل7 spectrum colors و reflection لل7 spectrum colors. No absorption in this case. يبقى ال white opaque object بيعمل reflection, only reflection, ما بيحصلش absorption خالص في حالة ال white opaque object. In the case of black opaque object, the white light, which contains the 7 spectrum colors, falls on the surface of the black opaque object, and the black opaque object will absorb all the white light or the white colors or the white light colors, and no transmission will occur. So اللي بيحصل ان ال white light بيسقط على ال black opaque object وبيحصل absorption لكل ال white light colors كلهم، ما بيحصلش خالص reflection ل any of these colors. فاللي بيحصل ان انا مفيش لون بيوصل لعيني. مفيش لون means black. Black means no color. يبقى اللي بيحصل في حالة ال white opaque object ان بيحصل reflection لأول ال light colors. في حالة ال opaque object no reflection at all. بيحصل بس absorption. طيب عندنا بعد كده seeing the colored opaque objects. As we see in the figure, we have a yellow banana. The white light, which consists of the 7 spectrum colors, will fall on the surface of this banana. So the banana will absorb all the color and only reflect its own color, not transmit. It's an opaque object, so it's only reflect its own color. So it will absorb all the light colors and will only reflect the yellow color. So the yellow color reaches my eye and the banana appears with the yellow color. The next point, seeing colored opaque object through colored transparent objects. If in this case, if we have a red apple, the red apple is a colored opaque object, so it will absorb all the light colors and will transmit only it will reflect only the red color. So the 7 spectrum colors falls on the surface of the apple. The apple will absorb all the light colors and will reflect only the red color. But we have a red transparent sheet in front of the apple. The red transparent is a transparent object. In this case of a transparent object, what happened? The transparent object will absorb all the light colors and only transmit its own color. So it will absorb the red and transmit red. No other colors to absorb. It will only transmit red. So if I look at or look through the colored transparent or the red transparent sheet, I'll see the apple in the red color. But if the transparent sheet wasn't red, if the transparent sheet was green, what happened in this case? The 7 spectrum colors falls on the surface of the apple, and the apple will absorb all the light colors and only transmit and only reflect the red color. The red color will falls on the surface of the green transparent sheet. The green transparent sheet will absorb the red color, and it's supposed to transmit the green color. There is no green color in this case, so there is no transmission. So if I look through the green sheet, I can see the apple with the red color. I'll see the apple with a black color. يعني يا ولاد اللي بيحصل ان انا لما بيكون عندي ابل حاطه قدامها انا شيت لونه احمر بنفس لونها، هي بيحصل ان بيسقط الضوء عليها. الضوء مكون من ال7 spectrum colors، فبيحصل ان الابل تعمل absorption لكل الالوان وريفلكت بس للون بتاعها. لما يحصل ريفلكشن للون الاحمر بيسقط الضوء اللي حصل له ريفلكشن ده على الشيت اللي لونه نفس لون الابل، نفس لون الضوء اللي حصل له ريفلكشن. فالشيت بيعدي الضوء ده لان هو طبيعي ان هو يعمل له ترانسميشن، لان في حاله الترانسبيرنت اور السيمي ترانسبيرنت object كانت بتعمل absorption لكل الالوان وبتعمل transmission للون بتاعها. ففي الحاله دي هي بتعمل transmission للون الاحمر وبيعدي، ولو انا ببص هشوف التفاحه باللون الاحمر. طيب لو كان الشيت اللي عندي ده لون مختلف، لو كان green transparent sheet مثلا، اللي بيحصل ايه؟ اللي بيحصل ان الضوء بعد ما بيسقط على الابل وبيعمل reflection، الضوء اللي حصل له او reflected light بيسقط على ال transparent green sheet ده، فبيعمل له absorption، بيمتصه، بيعمل transmission لإيه؟ لnothing، لان مفيش اصلا ساقط عليه green reflected light علشان يبتدي يعمل له transmission، فما بيعملش هنا في الحالة دي transmission. فانا وانا بصة ما بشوفش اي لون، وبالتالي ما بشوفش اي لون، يبقى ده معناه ان انا بشوف الابل لونها black. So we reach the end to our lesson 2 in unit 1. Don't forget to keep on thinking and study hard. See you in the next video. Bye.